This video is on hypergeometric distribution. See here, the problem is, suppose that a lot contains 10 items, 5 of which do not conform to requirements. If 10 items are selected at random with replacement, then the probability of finding one or fewer non-conforming items in the sample. See here, with replacement, without replacement. So generally we have to use hypergeometric distribution. So what is this hypergeometric distribution? See here, if n is the total population and k, so k is the number of success, and see this is k, and this value is n minus k, so we have to subtract k from n, that is n minus k here. And see the sample size, the small size is small n, and see what is this x, so x is the probability to be chosen, and here this will be n minus x. So from this, the probability mass function can be written as probability of x is equal to k can be written as, see here the notation, kx, kcx, and this one is n minus kcn minus x divided by ncn. So this is ncn. So it is very easy to remember, here kx, here also kx. Here plus kx, here minus kx, in between nn, here also denominator also nn. So it is very easy to remember, and using this formula, so I am going to solve this problem. See here, suppose that a lot contains, see what is this lot? So the lot contains 100 items. So the total capital N is given as 100. So here n value, n is equal to 100 is given, 5 of which do not conform to requirements. See, non-conforming items, this is non-conforming items are 5, and conformed items are, see here, 100 minus 5, this will be 95. And the next one, if 10 items are selected at random, see here small n, out of 100, if 10 items are selected at random, this value is a small n. Selected at random with replacement with the probability of finding one or fewer, see here one or fewer means maximum 1 or less than 1. So less than or equal to 1 non-conforming items in the sample space. See here one or see this one, so the probability of x less than or equal to 1, so 1 or less than, so less than or equal to 1, so this is nothing but probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 we have to calculate. So if the non-conforming items are 0, see here, if the items are 0 here, 10 minus 0 will be 10. So if the non-conforming items are 1, then here this will be 10 minus 1, the value is 9. So using this diagram or using this, we have to find out the probability density function. So according to our probability density function, so we have, see, probability mass function. So this will be probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So if we select 0 here, this will be 5c0. This is 5c0 into 95c10. So this is 95c10 divided by 100. See here, 100c10. So this is 100c10 plus, if r value is equal to 1, then this will be 5c1. So if you select this one, so this is 5c1 into 95c9. So 95c9 by 100c10. So this value is 100c10. So this is the formula, and using the calculation, that is NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, you can calculate this formula. See here, it's very clear that suppose a lot contains 100 items, out of which 5 are non-conformed and rest are 95 are conformed items. See, among these 110 are selected at random. So we have to find the probability of one or fewer non-conforming items in the sample. One or fewer means x less than or equal to 1. So there is a chances of probability of x is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1. So if you select 0 non-conforming items, so 10 minus 0 will be the conformed items. So if we select one non-conformed item, then this will be 10 minus 1 9. So we have to frame this one. So if you have the formula ready here, this will be 5c naught into 95c10 divided by 10c10 plus 5c1 into 95c9 divided by 10c10. So if you calculate, you will get the perfect answer. So this is how we have to solve. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end.